How to disable end-to-end encryption on WhatsApp. WhatsApp end-to-end encryption is a key feature that ensures the security of your messages and chats, protecting them from potential threats like hackers. This encryption also extends to chat backups stored on Google Drive for Android users and iCloud for iPhone users. However, there may be instances where you need to disable this encryption for various reasons. We've come up with a simple guide on how to disable end-to-end encryption. Here's the easiest way. First, open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your Android or iPhone device. Next, access Settings. Tap on the three-dot icon on Android or your profile picture on your iPhone at the top right corner of the screen to access the menu options. Then navigate to the Chat settings. From the Settings menu, select Chats to proceed. Now choose Chat Backup. Select Chat Backup within the chat settings to manage your backup settings. Next, select Encryption settings. Look for the option labeled End-to-End Encrypted Backup to access the encryption settings. Now turn off the encryption. On the next screen, tap the Turn Off button to disable end-to-end encryption for your WhatsApp backup. Here's where you enter key or password. If prompted, enter the password and 64-bit encryption key for added security. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the password or key, and then save changes. After selecting and entering the required information, tap Save or Done to confirm your changes. As for last, the confirmation. WhatsApp will notify you once the changes are successfully applied. By simply following this step-by-step guide, you can easily disable end-to-end encryption for your WhatsApp chat backups on Android and iPhone. WhatsApp's end-to-end encryption feature ensures the security of your messages and chat backups. However, if you need to disable this encryption for any reason, you can do so manually through the app settings.